Welcome to exercise 5 of Introduction to Functions. I'm the coding teacher and I'm here to teach you how to code. So for this exercise, they go over some best practices of writing code, and they talk about how the block of code that's inside of a function should be indented. You should have a semicolon at the end of it every line. You should have a semicolon at the end of your var whatever equals function statements. And they ask us to, by the way, why is it that we have to have a semicolon there? In JavaScript, white space doesn't actually matter. But if you don't put a semicolon, sometimes you can create ambiguous statements. Since internally, when the language actually works out your code, it does this, right? It puts it all in one line. So if you don't have a semicolon, sometimes you could have cases where this statement spills over into the next one, and it actually has unintended behavior. So because of that, you want your formatting to be correct and you want your semicolons to be in order so that you guarantee yourself that you're not going to be making that mistake with your code. Now, let's go ahead and fix this guy. It should be like this. Reading equals function. The argument should be in parentheses, not braces. And this doesn't have to be in parentheses. And there should be a closing brace there, semicolon there at the end. And is there anything else that we need to do? Fix the function and then call the greeting function once it's fixed. Okay. Again, what's happening here is we're calling this function, right? Calling the function named greeting, and we're passing the argument Thuggerholic. So basically what's going to run is this. And the variable name is going to become the value Thuggerholic because that's what we passed when we called it. So it's going to say console.log Thuggerholic. When we run it, that's in fact what does get printed. And that's it for this time. I hope that was helpful, and I see you guys next time.